I think. Firstly, I will talk, okay, and I would like today. You can enjoy this thing, okay.
No comments on this.
Can't even imagine what it would be.
No. I have said something different.
बोल दिया ना बस बोल दिया.
Yes. All is well.
नहीं वो no.
Hello YouTubers. Chip.
Hello YouTubers, this is Pooji and this is Ravi.
This week we are presenting Free Talk from ICFA University.
Please do like and share this video.
Please comment and subscribe our channel.
What if Hollywood superstars play cricket with Indian team?
We no chakkas and no chaukas because if I am a superman, I'll catch the ball anyway.
Okay, well, I'm being patriotic, so I think India will definitely win.
Like one sec, Hollywood superstars and means superhero.
The Indian team will still win because all the Hollywood movies, the superstars, they play baseball. US is more prominent for baseball and they won't know how to play cricket.
I think Hulk will be born kicking the sixes and fours and whatever it is to be win.
If Hulk is playing with Indian cricket team, then he can able to score maximum sixes.
Have another Civil War sequel.
Same answer as my friend said, actually.
It will be similar scenario if we will fight with WWF fighters. Same scenario.
They play baseball or football.
It will be interesting if Iron Man will play with the Indian team and he'll like to catch all the balls by flying and etc like this, and it will be very very interesting and people would like to watch it at the international level.
Till Dhoni is captain, India will only win. I am 100% sure.
I think they should play the flying cricket. I think just catch it in the sky, just pull it in the sky. Only a sky thing.
It will be. I don't think all the young players will be needed to play the cricket at that time. If we play with the superstars, if we play with the superheroes, because almost all job will be done by superhero itself.
India ही जीतेगा because there's Rajnikant.
What if suddenly your gender changed into opposite?
I will fly off. Come on.
I'll go and sit for the Wipro process in ICFA Hyderabad because they take girls.
If this thing happened with my friend Prasan, he will try to seduce others first to buy a car in Bangalore.
Then what should I do? I'll figure out why girls are like to get makeup and all. Why they like to get dressed up so well.
Basically, I don't want that. I'm happy with what I am.
I will enjoy, okay.
I will enjoy.
Yeah, I will definitely enjoy because this is the good enjoyable thing, okay.
I'll be very happy because then we don't have to care about the clothes and all. Like normally t-shirt, jeans, and we'll be ready with the clothes.
First thing I would do is get a girlfriend.
I'll be totally astonished because I totally turn into the female, and firstly I would like to all the what they are doing means see what she is doing, and I want to do something like that. It will be crazy, but it will be very fascinating for me.
I will definitely date a lot of girls.
And just go enjoy my time.
I will think I am in dream.
I can give an excuse that my room is full messy and I will walk in pajamas and boxers and all.
I would roam on roads at midnight.
Khulla daru pina.
Yeah, I would like to live an organized life. They say that girls live a very organized life, right? So my life is pretty much unorganized, so I pretty much like to do that.
Actually, I would love to be a girl, like so that I can attract so many boys and many of them can spend me a lot of money.
What is your favorite Bollywood dialogue?
डॉन को तो 11 मुल्कों की पुलिस पकड़ रही है.
एक बार मैंने कमिटमेंट कर दी, फिर तो मैं अपने बाप की भी नहीं सुनता. ये मजदूर का हाथ है काट दिया.
लोहा पिघला के उसका.
तारीख पे तारीख. It's a totally sunny level and ढाई केजी का हाथ.
जब बना तुसी ग्रेट हो तोहफा कबूल करो.
Yeah.
एक चुरी सिंदूर की कीमत, तुम क्या जानो रमेश बाबू?
अगर तुम 2 मिनट और यहाँ पे रहे तो मुझे तुमसे प्यार हो जाएगा फिर.
Okay. డైలాగ్ గుర్తు రావట్లేదు. ఐఎమ్ మోర్ ఫ్యాన్ టు ద ప్రభాస్.
మన ఇద్దరం కలిసి చేద్దాం. అంతేనా? ఇంకేం కావాలి? వీలైతే 4 మాటలు, కుదిరితే కప్ కాఫీ.
వీలైతే ఏముంది dude, మహా అయితే తిరిగి ప్రేమిస్తారు.
Now I think you have all given a dialogues. Now turn these dialogues into English.
Once I said, I said.
Once I have done commitment, even I don't listen to my own father.
Don is wanted by police of 11 countries, but to catch Don is impossible.
What else? No, ఇంకేం కావాలి? అంతే. What else? What do you want more? A cup of coffee. Yeah, if possible, a cup of coffee and 4 words. Yeah.
What the English of Sindoor?
I don't. What is the value of one
Sindoor.
ml of Sindoor?
What Sindoor? You don't know the cost of the one chakki Sindoor. What? Yeah, Sachin Babu.
Your honor, you're great. Accept the gift.
Date is given, date to date, date to date. There is no actually date is given. Everything is there.
If you stay here for 2 more minutes, I'll fall in love with you again.
Whatever it is, dude. If you give love, you get some love back.
What is your opinion on Hindi serials?
Only there was a channel that came before Star One. The serials that came on that were the only serials, and apart from that, it's just bullshit.
सास बहू और साजिश.
Nobody confirm about whose wife really she is. Once she is married to him, another day she will definitely going to be married to that person. In future, she might going to be the grandmother of someone. Changing the mindset of Indian population.
Serial.
He is great follower of what do you say Hindi?
No.
Hindi serial and
Nowadays, these are getting too dangerous. Like Nagin, Snake.
Whatever be the serial, just see the romantic part and just leave the rest.
But I never watch actually.
I think it's all fake. It exaggerates the normal story and shows it that way.
Today's back.
Hindi series is only based upon love.
मीर वापस आ गया.
I don't watch serials.
But it's good for time pass. It is good. Serials are good.
No.
It will take 1,000 episode, 900 episode. One day he will become. One day he will die after 10 years. Again he will come. This is not possible in the real.
And पहले रोएंगी कि कुशन लेना है. उसके बाद मॉल में 6 घंटे बिता के आएंगी, सारी चप्पल उठा के लाएंगी और फिर घर आएंगे कुशन लेना.
Hi baby, मैं अच्छी हूँ. मेरे को प्लीज रिचार्ज करा दो.
Can you sing a song for me?
She is amazing singer. This is not the place to sing the song. No, it's just
He's the best singer. I'm not a good singer. If I will sing, you will run from here.
నన్ను నీలో ఆపుతో వెని పొమ్మని తరిమిస్తావేలా ఓ మనసా చేరువగా రాయిలా ఓ కలల చూపు సొకి వెనుక రూపులోకి నాలోని ప్రేమ రంగు మారిపోదుగా నువ్వెంతో తెలిసినాక ఎందక వచ్చినాక నీదంట చాడ తప్పదారి మీదుగా ఓ మనసా చేరువగా రాయిలా.
Now turn this song into English.
చేరువగా రాయిలా. Oh my heart, please come closer to me. You're stopping me with you and you're telling me to go away. Don't do that. I think probably that's all. Please, okay. That is the meaning basically.
तेरे जैसा यार कहाँ ऐसा याराना, याद करेगी दुनिया तेरा मेरा अफसाना. Where I will get a friend like you, I don't know. The world will remember our friendship forever. Where I will get a friend like you. I spent my whole life for you and you haven't given damn to me. That's all. एक मुलाकात हो तू मेरे साथ हो, एक मुलाकात हो तू मेरे साथ हो, जीने की वजह तुम बनो बन के तू रह पर मुझको मिला है, तू मिल गया मैं मुकम्मल हुआ. एक मुलाकात जरूरी है ज़रूरी जीने के लिए, हाँ मुलाकात ज़रूरी है ज़रूरी जीने के लिए.
There is a very important meeting. Because it's zaruri hai na, it's zaruri. It's a very important meeting.
Because I'm.
And I want you to be with me. Not you, अरे तू. Okay, you can also be with me. आगे क्या था? एक मुलाकात हो तू मेरे साथ हो, जीने की वजह तुम हो. For living, you are the only reason for me to live. मुलाकात हो तू मेरे साथ हो. तुम बनो. You become. ऐसे से बन के तू रह पर अब ओके डन तुम बनो.
ओ खिड़की वाली तू कल फिर आना नहीं, तू जाना तू अपनी जवान से, हो तेरे नैना है जरा बेईमान के. ओ मत वाली तूने जो दिल तोड़ा, कहीं का ना छोड़ा, मर जाऊंगा मैं मान के, हो तेरे नैना है जरा बेईमान के. ओ विंडो वाले Windows girl, where are you? What was the next line? Please come next day.
नहीं फिर जाना.
Please don't go back again. From your own words and stay in the hearts of Kulsekhar, who dream you in his nightmare.
3, 2, 1. दीवाने हैं दीवानों को ना घर चाहिए ना दर चाहिए, मोहब्बत भरी एक नजर चाहिए, जवानी में जवानी के सहारे हो जवां, मेरे मेहरबा तू मुझे हम सफर चाहिए, नजर चाहिए. We are lovers and lovers don't need a home. They don't need a what you call that? They just need a sight of love. दीवानों को न दर चाहिए न घर चाहिए. They just need a sight of love. In the youth, we need more youth. More youthness.
With support of
we grow up with the support of our youth.
and youth.
Youth. Done.